church bell. In 1826, a small town buried a young girl after she fell ill. Her grieving father, fearing premature burial, tied a string around her wrist and connected it to the church bell above her grave. For 2 nights, the bell remained silent. On the 3rd night, however, townsfolk were jolted awake by the frantic clanging of the bell. They rushed to the cemetery, digging desperately at the grave. But when the coffin was opened, the girl lay still, her face twisted, her fingernails torn bloody against the wood. The string was snapped. Some said she had rung the bell until it broke. Others whispered something had pulled it from the other side.